welcome back to our channel. So you can see that we are not in our usual setup, and our haircut is also changed. So yes, we got some bangs, and yes, so today's video, as you read by the title, is we are doing a TikTok inspired room, like transformation and makeover kind of thing. So yes, this trend is going on, like going viral on YouTube. So we were like, why not make this video? So we wanted to decor our room for so long, so we decided to give our room a little bit of makeover. So this is not like a whole room makeover, but we wanted to give it a little bit makeover. So yes, these are the prints that we printed out, and you can see like these are so many prints. So these are how the prints look like. We just printed out, and these are like the prints, and these were like the pictures from Pinterest, so we decided to print them out, and so, this is how they look like. And I'll show you guys how we want our room to look like. Yes. So let's just see the room. Prints that we printed out, and these are like early 2060s, 70s retro vibes, and you can see that we have floral and beachy kind of prints too. So it's like a mixture. The collage to look like a little bit of pinky, colorful, or cute. So yes, these are the we printed out them on A4 size paper. So they were like 2 on A4 size paper, like 1 A4 size paper. So we'll insert a clip of us cutting them, so you can see how we did that. And yes, peace out for now. So this is the whole area we want to do the lights and the makeover on. So yes, you can see that we have these lights. These are the ones that we found. You can see that it is plain white mirror, and ignore the mess over here because we have some decorations to decor here. So yes. So this is our mirror, and we want to add some lights around this area of our mirror. Yes. So, and these prints are going right over here, and in the form of collage. So that is how we feel. And these 2 nails, on these 2 nails, we are going to be putting our paintings. So yes, let's see how it goes. We are putting these lights on, and let's see how it goes, and hopefully it will go great. So wishes good luck. Apparently where we want to put our collage, and yes, these are the lights. And what I feel this video will be if the lights will pop out and say that we are not gonna stick on this mirror. So hopefully these lights will stick on this. The remote, I don't know where it is. I thought it presenting you guys the people who cannot take care of their remote. I don't know how long this remote is gonna be with us. So yes. Oh yeah, I found it. So yes, we got the remote. There it is. So turning I was telling you guys. Yes. Ooh, this is the color we want. This is the vibe. So apparently we wanted to have peach lights, but these are the lights we are working with right now. So yes. cute and pretty and aesthetic. And yes, we used 12 of the prints, and the others, these are the left ones, so you can see we didn't use them, we used these, so they look beautiful. And we wanted the wall to be pretty simple because we have so much going on in our room, so we decided to make it a little bit simple. But you can go all out with the wall and do it fully if you want. So yes. So on this wall we have decided to put these two paintings, and they literally match the vibe perfectly. And you can see, so these are the paintings that we painted, and we used acrylic paints for this. Yes, we did it with acrylic paints, and they look perfect right here, so you can see like how they are. And on the table you can see we have some random items, and we have like this DIY that we did in the Boho video, and we have like this glass bottle and a tumbler, so like some random things, and this unicorn, and we have like this pot, something like that, a vase or whatever you want to call it. It's like branch decoration kind of thingy. We made it in our previous DIY video, which we will link in the description box down below, this one too, and this too, so you guys can check it out and see how we made it. Missing someone with all your missing someone with how much you miss it, and you deserve. For today's video, it's a wrap. Hope you guys will like the video, and we loved how the room turned out, and we are obsessed with it. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bell on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Our previous videos are linked in the description box down below or in the icon right here, so make sure to watch them, and we'll try to be consistent and upload as we do on Monday and Friday. And we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.